This is our first card of the tarot deck. It is called the Fool. It is not called the Fool because the person is a fool, not because the person is stupid. No. It is called the Fool because the person is inexperienced and naive. This card, the Fool, represents the querent himself who has set out on this journey. He starts the journey from this very card, the number 0 card, and continues his journey through each of the other cards in the tarot deck. This Fool can be likened to a little child who is inexperienced and come into this world. He has taken birth into this world. This card, the Fool's card, is a very important card, my friends, as it represents the querent himself, and it shows the querent as an infant or as an inexperienced soul. That is why everything that can be likened to a child, an infant, or an inexperienced soul can also be related to the Fool's card, which means that the Fool's card is about new beginnings. It is about excitement. Basically, this Fool, which is the querent, he has started on a new journey. He is ignorant of, since he is inexperienced, he does not know anything about the ways of the world. He is in this position and is about to fall off the cliff. This is also a very important point which we will see in the end of the major arcana, how it takes a complete circle. So he does not know that he is where he is about to step, whether he will fall off or not. His inexperience is the cause of his ignorance. So all of these positive and negative characteristics are associated with the Fool's card. New beginnings, excitement, fearlessness, joy about starting a new journey, starting a new life journey, the lust for life that we see in a child, naivety, thoughtlessness, maybe even going without caution. All these things are represented by the Fool's card.